Hello world, so we are looking at the Retro Arcade for Education by ELECFREAKS. It looks quite cool. Little console, and you can design, it looks like sort of block coding. Enjoy the big display. If we have a look at the back of the box, it says, so it's got a little bit of spiel here on what you can do and sort of its little sales pitch, and then the contents and a quick start guide. Let's crack this open and see what we got in the box. Okay, so opening this is actually looks really nice. Oh. So this is pretty cool. It's quite nice feel. Feels quite a good build. So there's some, I don't know if there's any power or anything, we might have to charge it up. Okay, so yeah, so that's that. We have got manual. Boom, 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 boom. Some bits and pieces in there we'll have a play about with in a minute. And the USB-C charger. So pretty cool. Okay, so this is a bricks pack. This basically lets us kind of jazz up the handheld. So on the back of the handheld, you'll see there are different holes and stuff, so you can actually add these on just to make it look, well, cool really. I'll show you how to do that in a bit. At the moment I've plugged it into charge, so I plugged it in and this is what I've got on screen. So we've got the D-pad, we have, this is the menu button here. Okay, this little button here is the reset button, which literally resets the device. On the bottom you've got obviously the USB-C connection port. You have got, like I said, the on-off is on top. You've then got the A and B buttons, and that is pretty much it. You've got the brick compatible holes on the back, and that, as they say, is that. Okay, so this is it with the little add-ons on to get some googly wobbly eyes. There doesn't really seem to be a lot of point to this. Just a bit of fun, I suppose, if you're teaching primary. The kids would probably love that. Yeah, googly eyes. Okay, so this is the Retro Arcade wiki. It's wiki.elecfreaks.com/en/retro arcade. Loads of information on this site. So you've got safety instructions, FAQ, how to download the programs, product descriptions, all sorts of things. But these are the cool things, and that's the cases, the little case studies. So if we have a look at the aircraft battle, scroll down. So you're gonna need your arcade device. It's got all the steps here that you can follow to have a go at coding this. And here we go. Microsoft Makecode is the platform you can code this in. It's also got a link at the bottom to the program, so we can see here a link to Makecode. If we go here, we can show the code. We can demo the game on here, but we can also show the code, and we can send this to our device. So let's ping this over to the device now, and you can have a look at the device and how it plays. Okay, so to get this program onto our device, I'm going to connect the device to USB, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down to these three dots and I click choose hardware. I'm going to go to the Retro Arcade for Education. I'm going to click those three dots again and click connect device, and it says connect your arcade, and then I can see here that it says arcade here, and click connect. that will create the connection, and then just hit download, and that will flash onto the arcade device. Let's play this now and see what happens. Oh, it's saying I've got to press connect. Oh, there we go, arcade. So just arcade connect. Just took a little bit longer, just needed to look for it. And then you'll see the flashing here, the little flashing USB icon. And that should be it. Download flashes. Give it a second. And that's it. Let's check it out.